this video I'm gonna teach you how to make a quick floating effect in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year, day 45 of 365. Let's start by opening the position, so press P for your image, logo or whatever, and I'll click the stopwatch. Now let's type wiggle, press enter. So we have these parentheses, and let's type 1 for the frequency, and let's say comma 100 for the amplitude. And now you will see it will start moving. This is the frequency, how much time it moves. So if we increase this to let's say 10, it will move faster, more times. There you go. And this is the amplitude. If we increase this, it will have like more movement, more motion. You can see there. We can also type with decimals, so we can type here 1.5, let's say, and let's see the result. Also, you can add a little motion blur by checking this box. This will add a little blur to the movements, and also you can add a effect drop shadow. So type here drop shadow, and here you can increase the distance of the shadow, increase the softness, and also the angle, direction. And finally the opacity. If you want this wiggle to have a higher amplitude at the beginning and then the amplitude go to 0, you can add a slider control, this effect, and go back to the position with P, open the property and grab the amplitude here, select the amplitude, and grab here the peak whip and select the slider control. Now you can click outside. Make a keyframe here. First let's start with 60, and then over time, like here, let's put this to 0. We can assist these keyframes with F9, and now you'll see it will stop moving. So you can make it to stop moving, and also let's make another keyframe and increase the movement and make it to start moving again. So that's all for today's tutorial. You can download this project file in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya.